In this video, I am going to tell you another numerical on the stress and strain, and this is the numerical. So what is the numerical over here? A homogeneous 800 kg bar AB is supported at either at either and via cable as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. So calculate the smallest area of each cable if the stress is not to exceed 90 MPa in bronze and 120 MPa in steel. Done. And diagram is also given in the question, so let me draw the diagram as well, so it will be more clear to all of you what is the requirement of the question. So what you are going to do, so you are going to do is what is this is the bar and this one is the diagram. So this is the diagram given in the question. It is in the book of Singer. Now here this bar rod material is bronze, L equals to 4 meter. This one is steel, its length is 3 meter. So this is A and this one is B and this is 10 meter. So what is exactly asking in the question? So let me tell you first. A homogeneous 800 kg bar AB is supported at either end by a cable as shown in the figure. It is saying that there is a homogeneous 800 kg bar AB, its mass is given, is supported at either end by a cable at the both end. In the figure, calculate the smallest area of each cable. We have to find out the area of the cable, of both the cable. If the stress is not to exceed 90 MPa in bronze and steel, 120 MPa in steel. So what does it mean by that? What we have to do? Let's do. It is saying that we have to find out the area of this bronze and steel, and this length is 10 meter and the weight of this bar is given to us. So how can we calculate it? So let's start with the calculation. So what we have to do in the numerical. So let's move towards the calculation of the numerical. At first what we have to do, we have to make the free body diagram. We have to make the free body diagram of this. So we will make the free body. This is A and this one is B. So obviously there is a tension. This is also tension. So what we can write it down, you can write down P or you can write down T. So PBR and this one is PST. And there must be the weight at the center, and weight of the mass of this bar is given to us is this homogeneous bar AB is 800 kg. So what we have to do, we have to convert it into weight. So 800 into 9.81, that is gravity, meter per second square. So we will get it into weight into, so what will be the value? So let me show to you. 800 into 9.81. So the answer will be 7848 Newton. So this should be 5 meter because the length of the homogeneous bar is 10 meter. So the weight should act at the center. So it will be 5 meter. So what we are going to do, we will sum up the moment at A. So we know the weight here. So what we have to do, so let's start summation of the moment at A. This is A. So what we are going to do, let me tell you, we will rotate this force here, this force here. So this direction will be negative, this direction should be positive. So negative W, 5W plus 10 PST. So equals to 0. PBR becomes 0 because we are summing up moment at A. So minus 57848 is equals to minus 10 PST. So minus minus cancel. So 5 2s are 10. So 7848 divided by 2 comes out to be 3924. 3924. It is coming out to be 3924. So PST comes out to be 3924 Newton. This is the load or tension in the steel bar. Now we are going to calculate PBR by summing up vertical forces. So by equilibrium analysis, PBR plus PST both will be positive and W should be negative. So let me explain to you as well here. These two forces should be positive and this is the acting downward, so it should be negative. So we will put the value of plus PST 3924 minus 7848. So it is equals to 0. So the value of PBR comes out to be, let me check, minus 7848. So weight is acting exactly at the center. So both are lying at the same point, exactly equal at equal distances. So both are equal. So you can see we have calculated PST and PBR. But the problem is that what question is asking to us? We have to calculate the smallest area of each cable. So we have to calculate the area of the cable. So how can we calculate the area of the cable? So let's go for the bronze cable first. So this is, we are going to solve it out, bronze cable. We are going to find out. So what we are going to find out? So stress BR is equals to PBR upon area PBR. So we know the value of stress. So what is the limit? It should not be exceed 90 ampere. So we will put the value of stress, that is 90 ampere for bronze. So 90, and PBR value is in Newton, that is 3924. So what we have to do here is ABR. So actually they are not using 90 into 10 to the power 6. You can also put it, but you have to convert the area into millimeter. So for that reason your 10 to the power 6 will be cancelled out due to the square of 1000. So that's why we are not taking it over here. So what if you want to take it out, you can do it. You will put it 10 to the power 6 here, and when you will get your answer, so you have to divide it with 1000, so square. So what we are going to do, so for example, if I will put it value 10 to the power 6 here, so the answer will be 9. We will take it here, area of BR is equals to 3924. I put 10 to the power 6 because of megapascal. So 90 into 10 to the power 6. So 3924 divided by 90 exponent 6. 4.36 ABR comes out to be 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 5. And obviously it is in meter square. So what we have to do, we will divide it with 1000 square or multiply it. So sorry, we will multiply it 1000 square. So I will put it here. So I will multiply it with 1000 square. So the answer will become 43.6. So area of BR comes out to be, because it is in meter now, so when we multiply it with 1000 square, because meter square, so we will multiply it 1000 square, so we will get the value of 43.6 millimeter square. So the value will be increased in the smaller unit. So this is the way to calculate the area for the BR. Now we are going to calculate steel cable. For the steel cable, we are going to calculate the area. So stress ST, PST and area of ST. So what we have to do, so the limit should be 120 MPa. It is given in the question. So 120 into 10 to the power 6. So PST was 3924, same. So area of steel will be, so area of steel, we have to calculate it, is equals to 3924 divided by 120 into 10 to the power 6. And if you want to convert it before, so 1000 square, so it will cancel out. So the answer will be 3924 divided by 120. So therefore area of steel comes out to be 32.7 millimeter square. So what is this? This is the way to calculate the smallest area, because we have the limitation of stresses. So according to that, we got the area, and you can see the least area from both the cables is that the area of the steel, that is 32.7 from the bronze cable. So hopefully you will understand it and it will be clear to all of you. It is very easy numerical and there is not much things to know about it, but sometimes it becomes complicated when you will get it in the exams. So you will find it new one. So at the first step, what we have done, we have made the free body diagram, and what we have done, we have to convert the mass into Newton, because when weight is acting downward, so it should be converted into the Newton, so it will not be mass. Then we have to make the free body diagram, and after that we have sum up the moment at A, then we have sum up vertical forces, so we will get the value of PST, and PBR, you can say tensions in both the cable, bronze cable and steel cable. In the next step, what we have done, we have to find out the area. So for area, we know the stress and load both for the bronze cable and for the steel cable. So what we have done, we have put the formula for the stress of the stress equals to load upon area, and where we have calculated the area of bronze and the area of the steel cable. So this is the way to calculate all about it. And if we are not put it 10 to the power 6, so there is not big issue, but I just told you to make your concepts clear, why do we have to use 10 to the power 6, and when we multiply it with 100 square to convert it into millimeter, because Pascal is in Newton per meter square, so we have to convert it. So for conversion, so we have to multiply it 1000 to so square, so it will become in millimeter square. So this is the way to calculate this numerical. Thank you so much. Hopefully it will be clear to all of you. Thank you so much.